Hi, my name is Michelle Walter. I'm a counsellor in private practice. I have a background in psychology and I specialise in addiction and trauma therapy. I did some research on Path of Love in Australia. We followed some Path of Love participants. We measured them on their depression, anxiety, stress levels and their quality of life before they did Path of Love, and then a month after, 3 months and 6 months. And what we found is that there was a huge statistically significant increase in their quality of life after doing Path of Love. And that's sustained right across to the 6 months and up to a year. I think Path of Love also can be very helpful for people that are hiding in addictions, that have shut down, and that can be work addiction or, substance abuse problems, or even relationship addiction. Path of Love offers them the broad-based support and gives them real tools and resources to use to manage their emotional states so that they can move past holding on to these sorts of addictions. One of the things I've been really impressed with Path of Love as a professional counsellor with a training in psychology is the depth of professionalism and effectiveness of the therapists. All the therapists are trained highly. They're trained in trauma therapy. They have their own unique training within Path of Love. They have a lot of experience working with people and managing any situation that may arise. They all work incredibly acutely and sensitively with each client. It's a very gentle process in that way, in the way that clients are really seen and considered and held. The thing about Path of Love is that it's really about a life reset. It's an opportunity for people to really connect with their values, to reassess where they're going, to become much more open and vulnerable and real about what's happening in their life, and thereby access support and need and make much better choices than what they would have before.